Welcome to Module 2. As I said at the end of Module 1, this is where the real work starts and where we go through different steps to define your ideal course concept. By the end of this module, you will know exactly, first, how to identify and develop your perfect course idea based on your talents, your strengths, your passions, and your expertise. You'll have the ability to effectively gauge your market's demand for your concept, using different research tools and strategies. You'll understand how to sift through data and actual human feedback to validate your course idea and to refine it based on the actual market's needs. You'll understand how to define your ideal customer persona, or the actual people who will spend their money and buy all your future courses. This means that you'll have a clear picture, literally, of your target audience. You'll have everything you need to define your course outline based on several crucial elements that I call your core values. And you'll be on your way to transforming your idea into an online course that really resonates with your audience and that has the potential to become the basis of your successful online course-based business. Let's jump right to the next video where I'll explain more about all these concepts I just mentioned. I'll see you there.